Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by clearing the bed quickly. Remove pillows and any loose items so you can work unhindered. Once done, strip sheets in a logical order: top sheet, flat sheet, duvet, then fitted sheet. This prevents tangles and speeds the process. Make sure the mattress protector or pad is centered and flat. A shifted pad creates bumps under the sheets. Now pick clean linens close at hand so you can move immediately into fitting the fitted sheet without pausing. You begin by fitting the fitted sheet. Hook one corner, then the opposite diagonal corner, pull the remaining corners over the mattress, and ensure the elastic edge tucks fully under. Next, spread the flat sheet evenly so the top edge aligns with the mattress head. This centers any pattern and gives equal overhang. Then tuck the foot tightly and create hospital corners on each side. This locks fabric in place and prevents bunching when you sit or move on the bed. You finish by placing the flat sheet and blanket or duvet as your style dictates. If using a duvet cover, clip or tie corners and shake to settle the fill evenly. Make sure pillowcases are snug and fluff pillows before setting them in desired arrangement. Tuck decorative shams last so they stay crisp. If you notice wrinkles or slipping, retension the sheet corners, add a thin non-slip pad, or lightly spray a wrinkle release and smooth. This fixes most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.